Today, we're diving into the Minolta MN80NV, a sleek plum-colored camcorder that promises to be your all-in-one solution for capturing life's moments. Boasting 1080p Full HD video resolution and a whopping 24 megapixels for still images, the MN80NV sets out to impress. What sets this camcorder apart is its night vision capability. Equipped with an advanced infrared sensor, it illuminates your surroundings in the dark, ensuring that you can capture videos and photos with precision and clarity, even in low-light conditions. The 3.0-inch touchscreen LCD screen adds a modern touch to the user interface, providing an intuitive way to navigate settings and review your footage. With a maximum focal length of 7.5 mm, the MN80NV offers versatility in framing your shots, whether you're up close or capturing a wider scene. The inclusion of a 16GB SD card is a nice touch, though it supports cards up to 32GB, providing ample storage for your high-resolution videos and images. The package comes complete with essential accessories, including a USB cable, HDMI cable, AC adapter, camera pouch, and a lithium-ion battery. For added convenience, Minolta sweetens the deal with movie video editor software and 1 year of Mazda cloud storage. This means you can edit your footage seamlessly and store your precious memories in the cloud for easy access. In terms of connectivity, the MN80NV supports infrared and USB, ensuring compatibility with various devices. Whether you're a casual user or an enthusiast, this camcorder's user-friendly features and comprehensive package make it a compelling choice. The Minolta MN80NV, the night vision camcorder you've been waiting for? Stick around as we put it to the test and uncover its strengths and weaknesses. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.